Okay, we're gonna try to answer this one. Curl 12. I see deep. I see peer. No peer. Cheer. I see deer. Okay, deer. Here. Okay, here. Already get the peer, right? Cheer. Okay, creep. Yeah, creep. Perch. Okay, past tense. Perched. I see thread. Creep. Okay. H. Heat. Okay, that was it. So please subscribe. Thank you for watching. The answers for Curl 12. Okay.